In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Shopify account step by step and properly close your online store. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, scroll down and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, select Plan from the Settings menu. This section shows your current Shopify subscription and billing details. Inside the Plan section, look for the option that says Deactivate Store, Cancel Plan or Cancel Trial depending on your current subscription status. Click on that option and Shopify will ask you to confirm your decision. You may also be asked to provide a reason for closing your store. Before continuing, make sure you back up important data like products, customer information, and order history because you may lose access after deletion. If you use a custom domain, remember to transfer or disconnect it before closing your account. Once you confirm the cancellation, your Shopify store will be deactivated and your subscription will end. Thanks for watching.